Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious banana oatmeal cookies using just your microwave. First, gather your ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1/2 cup of rolled oats, and a pinch of cinnamon. You'll also need a microwave-safe plate and a fork. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick snack, requiring minimal cleanup and effort. It's a fantastic way to use up those ripe bananas. Next, let's get mixing. Take your ripe banana and mash it well in a small bowl using a fork. Make sure there are no large lumps. Then, add 1/2 cup of rolled oats and a small pinch of cinnamon to the mashed banana. Stir everything together thoroughly until you have a uniform, sticky dough. This mixture is the base for your quick cookies. Now it's time to cook. Drop spoonfuls of your cookie dough onto a microwave-safe plate, leaving a little space between each one. Gently flatten each cookie slightly with the back of a spoon or your fingers. This helps them cook more evenly. Microwave them for about 1 to 2 minutes. Cooking times can vary, so keep an eye on them until they look set. Once cooked, let your banana oatmeal cookies cool on the plate for a few minutes. They will firm up as they cool, becoming wonderfully soft and chewy. These are perfect for a quick, healthy snack or a simple dessert. For an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.